Hey friends, this is Catherine. Let's do an abstract painting today. I've got some blue tape, I've got a 11 by 14 canvas, I've got some paints. Let's do an abstract painting. I'm into this. Let's start by dividing up our canvas into sections. Let's just drop the tape down that side, bring it down this side, and lift it up and mess it up. That's okay. Let's just get a stripe right down the middle. Well, something approximating the middle anyway, to start off with. Let's just smooth down those sides to make sure that it's good and stuck on. There we go. All right. So now I could stop here. This does look awesome. That would be an awesome flag design. Who's with me? Primary colors, simple design, something children could draw, something that's memorable. I mean, it doesn't have any meaning behind it, but I'm sure you could make up meaning for it. That would make an awesome flag. It meets all the rules. But what else I want to do is I want to take this little bottle and this little tip. It's an itty bitty tip. It's the smallest tip I have for this bottle. I've got all kinds of tips. These are just some of them. Got all kinds of tips for those bottles. But I've chosen this one, which is the very smallest one that I have. Actually, do I want to use that one? Do I want to use a bigger one? No, we'll use the smallest one. I'll use the smallest one because I can always put more paint, but if you've got a bigger one on there, you can't really do less. It's a thing. I'll use the smallest one. Okay, and then we want to load this bottle up with some more yellow, I'm thinking. Yes. Okay, so let's just see if I can't... Oh, pouring it over my painting is a bad idea. You know my track record with getting paint all over everything and myself. Let's just pour it over that bit of paper towel. That way when it drips, because it will, it doesn't ruin our painting. All right, and it isn't going to take very much, so that will probably do it. Just like not even 10 milliliters of paint in there. It goes a long way. Close that back up. Didn't drip, but I know if I hadn't have had the paper towel there, it would have. And then let's just, put the cap on. And then, let's see, let's just do little dots. That is it. I definitely like the dots. I think I maybe went a little overboard on them, but that's fine. They add a layer of complexity to it that I am very, very pleased with. Anyway, that's what I did today. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, definitely let me know. If you want to see more videos, let me know that too. If you have any ideas for things that you would like to see me try, I am always open to new suggestions. There's always something new out there to try. So keep trying things, for goodness sakes. And remember to subscribe, because I put up new videos most every day. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!